Hi guys, today we're checking out the Monkey C Arcade in Victoria, British Columbia. Let's go explore.
Hidden in the heart of Victoria, the Monkey C Arcade is an interactive art playground which invites you to leave the real world behind. Created by the mostly harmless mad scientists Scott Amos and David Parfit, the Arcade isn't your typical art gallery. It's a steampunk-infused workshop filled with mutant machines that pulsate with the sounds of electronic noise, and its spirit is reminiscent of the popular Meow Wolf attractions scattered across the United States. To begin, you'll be given an anti-radiation pin and asked to step through the Decontamination Portal. Once you're cleared, the room opens up into a neon-lit, tactile wonderland of vintage hardware and modern technology. You're invited to explore and encouraged to discover how to interact with each of the unique machines. When you pull a lever or step on a sensor, the installations spring to life with mechanical movements, flashing lights, or electronic sounds. Each one responds in tactile and often surprising ways. Take the Registroid, for example. It's a modified vintage cash register that's been gutted and reborn as an electro house looping machine. Or there's the Telepede, a bizarre musical instrument built out of an old rotary phone and organ pedals. The Pythagorism is a multi-user music creation station where touching sensors remixes thumping beats in real time. And the Catacomb respond to pressure-sensitive sensors that allow users to remix sounds using the weight of their bodies while dancing. What makes this place special is that it's almost entirely screen-free, and it's all about the physical feedback. The Arcade offers admission on a sliding scale, making it one of the most accessible and unique attractions in Victoria. They also offer various different events throughout the year, like their popular Halloween displays. And with their new Alien Lab expansion opening up later this year, supported by Creative BC and the British Columbia Arts Council, the experience is only going to get bigger. So if you're looking for a break from the digital world and want to get hands-on with some high-voltage creativity, the Monkey C Arcade is the place to do it. Thanks for checking out the Monkey C Arcade with me today. Click here to see my tour of another Victoria-based attraction.